Hi everyone, today we're going to make a delicious protein-packed dish called Soya Paneer Tikki along with a fresh and tangy coriander chutney. We'll start by making the chutney, so for that I'm taking 1/4 here, a quarter cup of sev, 2 to 3 green chilies, a small bunch of mint, a big cup full of coriander, and finally we'll squeeze in some lemon. Juice of 1 lemon, salt and 2 to 3 ice cubes will be added. This will keep the chutney from turning black. Now we'll grind it smoothly. For grinding, my kitchen has the Milton Artist Mixer Grinder. Its powerful 1000-watt motor grinds everything coarse in just seconds. It prepares chutney just like a traditional stone grinder without overheating. If you want this kind of quality and speed to make perfect chutney, then our vibrant green chutney is ready. Now, let's set this aside and start preparing the tikki. Take 1 cup of soya chunks, which I have soaked in hot water for approximately 2 hours. Squeeze them and put them in the Milton mixer grinder jar. Along with that, add 200 grams of paneer, 3 to 4 green chilies, and a small piece of ginger. Here, I have used green garlic, but you can also use 3 to 4 cloves of regular garlic. Now, pulse everything together to coarsely grind it. We want a slightly coarse texture. Both soya and paneer are high protein sources, which are very good for our health. Now, into this coarse mixture, we'll add finely chopped onion, capsicum, beans, a little bit of carrot. I've taken almost 1 cup of all these mixed vegetables. Now, add lots of cilantro and about 1/4 cup of gram flour. For the spices, add 1½ teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and about 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Finally, add salt and mix everything well. Now, shape the mixture into tikkis. If the mixture is sticking to your hands, lightly grease your hands with some oil. Shallow fry the tikkis on both sides until they turn a nice golden color, so our soya paneer tikkis are ready. Let's serve them quickly with some delicious chutney. Whether it's grinding chutney or making tikkis, these Milton appliances are truly my everyday kitchen buddies. They make my work really easy and super quick. If you also want to upgrade your kitchen, definitely check out Milton's range. And yes, for a special discount, use the code MEGNA15 for 15% off at www.milton.in.